Hello everyone, welcome to the corner store located at Kharghar, Navi Mumbai. Briefly, I will take you through our store. These are the pictures in brief. These are the chiffon georgette skirts. These are the rayon skirts and ethnic skirt with ethnic top and ethnic dupatta. These are the kurtis we stock, catering to the 3XL, 4XL, 5XL customers as well. And these are the scarves and plazos, and these are plazo with the gotepatti work. This is the skirt plazo. Unfortunately, due to the staff problem, limitation of time, I am not able to present the items very well. Please bear with me. This is the grara with dupatta. These are the daily wear plazos with pearls and made in lycra. Nowadays, because of the situation, I am stocking these bandhan also and these mask as well, which covers the whole face and head also. This particular one covers the mouth and the shoulders. Now I will take you inside the store. Our store is located in Vigrahar Complex, Sector 12, Kharghar, Navi Mumbai. So please welcome and please bear with the not so perfectly done interiors and the stocking because of present staff situation. Now here we're having various accessories to cover our face and head in the present circumstances. This is a very small store but trying to cater to the best possible way. Now this particular side of the store I'm having this particular one is a tube which can be worn in many different ways, and this blue color one is a head cover to be worn inside the helmet to keep our head and hair in a proper condition. And now I will take you through our scarves, and I got a pretty good collection of the scarves which I will take you through. These are the rayon scarves which I am sliding one by one, which can easily be tied and very lightweight, which is mostly preferred by our customers. This is the polka dot what just you have seen. This particular one is a crepe material, and this is done in a chiffon, again a chiffon material. This particular one is a shimmer and very narrow, it's just 20 centimeter width. So it gives a beautiful attire. This is polka dots in a very flexible material of rayon, and again a printed one. This chiffon printed. This particular one is a Banarasi stole. You get in 6 different colors, ranging from white, peach, green, blue, etc. These are again chiffon based. Now this particular one is a South cotton in double shade with toggles. Coming to the new item, or rather the regular one way, is having a necklace attached to the scarf. When you wear it, it enhances the looks. This particular is a Georgette one with beads and toggles in a beautiful baby pink color. The shimmer, and this particular one is the fur, very long, and it's I'm having stock in four different colors. And the next one is our regular cotton based and chiffon based stoles and dupatta. This is a foil printed one. This again is a rayon. This is a cotton based. This is Pochampalli from Hyderabad. This is a stole. This is a stole done in Brasso. This is again a rayon, then again rayon, which is most preferred by everybody. This is the crepe one, what you are able to see. These are all different varieties. This particular one is a kalamkari, again from Hyderabad, and you get it in six different ones. Now, let me take you to our kurtis. We stock the kurtis up to 3XL, 4XL, and 5XL as well. So this is one you're able to see is raw silk and embroidered upon that. This is embroidered with crystal work. It's a beautiful one. I have it two, three different colors with inner as well. This is a one piece in a rayon material. Yeah, this is what I was talking about. And this is in pure cotton with patchwork and matty work done in the form of squares. So the customer who prefer the pure cotton, they can easily go for it. This is again a party wear raw silk with embroidery done, which is really good for going out for kitties and small occasions. This once again embroidery with pearl work in a cotton based material in 3/4 hands. This is in rayon with frills on both the sides. This is again a raw silk with embroidery. This particular kurti is a pochampalli with patchwork, and we're having different patterns in this, which I will show you few of them. Coming back to this raw silk with embroidery, this is the pochampalli, another design I was talking about. This is the typical long one piece which you can always find in every part of Mumbai. This is again an embroidery work on raw silk material. This is the rayon material and the gotapati work and embroidery, and the plate is given from the top. You can always WhatsApp me on 8985954315 for either live video session from our shop or through any inquiries you will have. You can take a snapshot of this particular screen and you can tell me your choice all the time. I repeat, my number is 8985954315. This is again a rayon one with the frills. This is a rayon one with gold foil print all over. You can always visit our shop at Sector 12, Kharghar, which is located just behind the Wellness Forever in the Sector 12. This is a Azrak item. I have skirts in this item and maxi as well, but I'm unable to show everything right now. For the person who prefer the plain kurtis, this is in raw silk, which gives a very elegant look. Now, coming to the pure cotton range, we are stocking these kurtis of a branded company, long one piece, very fine material and beautifully printed. All these are readily available. This particular one comes with a matching jacket, and this particular is a plazo set. The plazo is a chanderi cotton and the top is a pure white kurti with golden embroidery. You just have to believe, to see to believe it's plazo set. Now I'll take you to our next item, that is Lucknowi kurtis, sourced from a authentic Lucknowi manufacturers, and though it is there for a long time, it's going to be there for long time. Now you can just flash through the collection. Here we are having a short pattern, medium length and full length kurtis as well. These colors and patterns, or the self color or a contrasting color, will keep on coming. You can always check for the latest varieties either through a visit to our shop or through a WhatsApp contact. So I'll just briefly show the colors. So you can see the white kurti with multicolor threads. Now to continue with the kurtis, I am going to show you a pure red color kurti with gotapati work. Hope you are able to appreciate the designs. This is a pure white designer kurti with foil print, gold color, and it's a bit of designer wear wherein buttons are given on the front and back side of the kurti to enhance your design appreciations. Another embroidery work on the chiffon georgette material with the inner as well. and we are stocking a few beautiful colors in this pattern, so which I'll be showing you. This particular kurti is a very beautiful lightweight mull cotton with inner, and the best part is these kurtis come with matching dupatta. So it's so lightweight and so elegant. You can just see for yourself the floral prints, and when combined with the matching dupatta, it enhances the beauty like anything. Now coming to the richer taste, this is pure linen kurti with all through buttons on the front side of the kurti, and we're having these in three different colors, including white. This is a high count cotton. This particular one is a cotton based kurti with embroidery work. Yes, this is again a mull cotton kurti with matching dupatta. This comes in multicolor. So it really is so bright. These are tunics, a very fine quality and very elegant design. You can't stop appreciating this. And we have a number of pieces of the kind. This particular one is a black kurti chiffon material with gold print, which is on the mannequin. This is again a floyd material and beautiful small design with buttons on the either side of the kurti, which you can uh, delete if you don't like, or if you can appreciate, you can continue to wear like this. Now, let me move over to our next item is skirts in ethnic format. This is a raw silk pink color skirt with golden booty, and the gear is really impressive and is ideally suited for everyone from youngsters to adults. And we stock them in various colors, including gold with a smaller booty, bigger booty, and plain as well. And to provide the customer with a matching tops for these ethnic skirts, now I am going to show you the short tops for these skirts. This particular one is in golden base with silver color thread work. This particular one is a butterfly material with small booty, and this one is in boat neck. In this pattern, you will have 3 4 items with cold shoulder, 3/4 hand, and very finely done work with inner and stretchable inner material. And another item for ethnic purpose is gold color short up to be worn on skirts with pearl work, kundan work, which you can appreciate very well. Now, if someone wants a color which is different from gold, so we have the collection in raw silk with golden booties. These particular booties you are seeing are not printed, they are embroidered, and you get it in various colors like deep maroon, green, or silk colors. This is another pattern which has recently come. This all go well with silk skirts. Yeah, this is another one in a Banarasi work with a plate sort of a design. Yeah, this is in butter crepe with golden booty, and this particular range caters to the uh, higher sizes with sufficient margin for proper fitting to be done by the tailors. And all these tops you are seeing so far are having sleeves inside. So the customer has to get them attached. Now let me move over to the next item in the skirts, that is of Kanchipuram silk. They come in deep color with golden zari embroidery. So this is Kanchipuram material with the border as well as booty all over and with a full gear. This is another color in the deep maroon, the same material, authentic Kanchipuram sourced item. And the tops I have shown so far in the golden color can enhance the attire. These are two more skirts in the same category with bigger dots. Wherever you whenever you need to visit our store or arrange a video call, that can easily be done. You can always contact. Now let me move to the casual tops. These all short tops have sleeves kept inside, which the customer has to get them attached with the tailor. Here we stock them in 3 4 varieties. These are printed cotton. This is plain cotton. The plain cotton comes in two varieties. One is a very lightweight, one is a thick material. So this particular pink one is a thick material, and this is again a printed one. This is a khadi pattern. So we get it in plain khadi pattern, printed pattern. Now I can zoom that part of the stock. So this is one of our regular items for which customers keep coming to us. This is the khadi pattern. Material is khadi. The pattern is short top. which can go very well with jeans. And both serves the purpose of casual wear and as well as for outings. Now let me move over to feeding kurtis. We have feeding kurtis in the rayon fabric as well as cotton fabric with a very fine zipper.